Welcome everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to create a website for your bagel shop. Really simple and easy using Mighty Sites. It's only $9 a month. So if you need a simple professional looking website for your bagel shop, you're in the right place. So I'm just going to start here. I'm going to look for the bagel shop template. So I'm going to select that and then I'll just put in here Keegan's Bagel Shop. And then I'll select my location. So I'll put Denver, Colorado and business type. So this is a restaurant. And then I'm going to click continue. Now it's going to ask me a few more questions. So I'm going to start by just letting it know my phone number, and then I can put in my email or I can skip and do that next. I want to put in the location of my bagel shop too. So I'm just going to enter in my address and then click continue. And now what time do I open? So let's just say I open at, let's just say early, 6 a.m. and close at 4:30 p.m. And maybe those are my hours: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. We'll just say for simplicity, those are my hours every day of the week. So if all that looks good, then I just click looks good next. And just like that, Mighty Sites is actually going to generate a simple professional website for my bagel shop without me having to do anything else. So you can see here, just by entering in some basic business information, all the images were selected for me, all the text was pre-written for me, and now all I have to do is basically make edits to my liking. So I can start here by just playing around with the colors. So just depending on which color theme I prefer, whatever works or makes sense for my business, I can go through here and I can just check out some of the different color options and select the one that I feel like best represents my business, my brand, what I want it to look like. So maybe I'll stick with this red one for now. So I can just go through and select whichever one I like. Then the next thing I do, I just go to update section, and if I want to add my email, looks like I had a little typo there. Save that, so it should say Denver. If I want to add my email, I can do that too. So let me just add my email here. Add my email, I'll click show on the site, and then I'll save that. I can update the social media link, so I can go over here and let's just say I want to add Facebook. So I can add the link to my Facebook page. I can add the link to my Instagram if I have one for my restaurant. So I'll just, you can copy and paste your links there, but I'll just add those. You can see that the icons are all pre-populated for me, so I don't have to worry about going and finding any of that or trying to, style it. I just simply type in my information, go over here, and if I want to add more menu items, I can go in here and do that. So let's just say I want to add a new menu or a new link, right? So then I choose where that links to. I can link to another website. I can link to somewhere else on my website. So I'll just link to the about section. I can have it be an action, or I can upload a PDF. So right now I'll just do that, and then I'll click add it to the menu and save. And now I've got that new link added to the site that goes to the about section, right? So that was really easy to do. I can go over here to update logo next, and I can browse for a logo for my computer. If you don't have one, I always recommend Canva is a really great resource. You can literally, create an account here. It's really free or cheap options. You can just select logo, and then I bet you if I just search for a bagel shop logo, so I don't have one for a bagel shop. Let's just say bagel, say restaurant. So here's a bunch of logos pre-made for restaurants. You can just select from whichever of these you prefer. So let's just say I want to go with this one, and I'll just retype in what I want to say. So let's just say that obviously I want it to say bagels, right? For my bagel there. So bagel restaurant. Keep it simple. So now I've got a logo for my business, so I can just download this. Let me just name it Bagel Logo. And then I will download it. Do it as a JPEG because that's always best for the web. So that's downloading. And just go right over here and I can browse and upload my new bagel logo. And as soon as that loads, I can click save. And now I can make it bigger. I can make it smaller, and you can see it's kind of taking up a lot of space on the top and bottom. So I'm going to click on this little pencil and edit it a little bit. Mighty Sites has all these editing tools for images and photos and logos built right into the system. So I'm just going to go in here. I'm going to crop it down a little bit so there's not so much space around it. Probably going to crop it in this way too. It came with a lot of extra space on it. And then I'm gonna look at the filters. I kind of just want it in white behind it. There we go. So now I'm gonna click done and let that re-upload the new version. Click save. There we go. So you can see I removed the background and I edited it. And now I like that a lot better. So if I close that, you can see my logo's now on the site. So you can see my site's coming along really quickly and easily. So next I'll go to this section. You can type in whatever you want for your text hero and then your subheader. So let's just say, for whatever reason, I just want this to say gourmet bagels. And then maybe I say New York style or something like that. Any flavor you can imagine, toasted and steamed to perfection. That's really nice. I could also edit any of this. So if you do have order online, you can leave this button to link to order online. That's great. And you just choose where that links to, so another website, and it can link to your online ordering. But if you don't have that or you want to do something else, you can also link, call it a link to directions, or you can call it a link to the menu if you want to, and you can link right directly to your menu section. You can upload a PDF here with your menu, whatever you want it to be. So you can play around with that order online button to have that link wherever you'd prefer it to go. So I'll just save that for now. I think it's looking pretty good. Let's just say I have online ordering. That would link to either my Toast account or my whatever I use for online ordering option. Get directions is nice. That action button will automatically link to your directions. So I'll go in here to the directions link and confirm it. The directions button says get directions, so I'll just save that. So now if I click this, you'll see it'll open in Google Maps with directions to my restaurant, which is nice. It has my hours in here too. So that's all set. The next one, you can see there's a big image here. Now you can keep these images, or you can browse for a new image from your computer, or you can access this photo library, which is really nice, with all these pre-built images of bagel shops already here loaded for you. So you can select any of these. They're already licensed and ready to go. So you don't have to deal with trying to find a picture and making sure you have the right license for it. You can just select from any of these images, and I'll show you how I did that again. Just go to update section. You can just search for bagel shop. You have the option to upload a photo if you prefer that, or search the photo library and just select one from there, and you can replace any of these images really, really easily too. View our menu, that's obviously really important. So let me just click on this. Usually if your menu is hosted somewhere else, you can link to that other place. Most people are going to have a PDF of their menu. So you just browse your computer. Let's see if I can find a menu on here. Here we go. So here's my example menu. So you just upload the PDF of your menu to your bagel shop website and then confirm it, save it, close. Now if I click on the view our menu, it opens up that PDF, right, of your menu, which you can also use the QR code to link to. And then if I click on this button too, it also brings me right down here to view and open the menu so that your customers can easily find your menu. If you want to update any of the text, it's really easy to do too. This is how you make a website for a bagel shop, right? You can just type in what you want it to say. I could put that in bold, italics. I could add a link to it if I want, but it's really, really simple and easy to just add and edit any text on here too. So now you've got link to online ordering, link to directions, a link to view your menu. You've got your phone number on here, your social media links, and just like that, I've created a simple professional website for my bagel shop pretty quickly and easily using Mighty Sites. So I'm just click on the stop editing button, and now you can see what it looks like without those update buttons, because obviously those are only there for your for you to see as you're making edits to the site. But now your customers can easily see the website, see the links, and now you've got a nice, simple, professional website that you can use to market your business using your advertising. It's a great way to use as your online business card. Really simple, professional website for your business. So just like that, I've created a website, and I can launch the site for only $9 a month. I can also go in and connect my own custom domain, just paste in my domain and get simple instructions. But click on the link below. It's only $9 a month to start your free trial, and give it a go and see if this is the right system for you to create a simple, professional, affordable website for your bagel shop.